After that, Tom and Jerry was at the TV. After that, the rat was scratching his butt. That's how he is. And then Tom and Jerry sing the song at Garfield, they're like, baby has seatbelts, that's the man. Thanks, but you do. They only do that because they only do that in 1995. All other buckle. I'm just trying to break the middle apart. Use a both give a force. After that, you take out the seatbelt and the pilot goes, and the pilot goes, where's your seatbelt? Well, I ate it like a rat. Act cute like a Nimrod. After the song's over, and Tom and Jerry's gonna do the main point. What are they gonna be these places? I don't know what they're doing, but the dog is barking, so he's annoying me. So I think we should go